Hello all, welcome to scenario-based tableau training offered by Rayapati Analytics. My name is Kalpana Rayapati. If you want to register at rayapatianalytics.com, just open rayapatianalytics.com in the browser and here login. Once you log in, you can access the content that belongs to you. Even you can attend the first 2 weeks of the Tableau training for free. Also, you can get a mobile app from Google Play Store by searching Rayapati Analytics and download this app. Whatever the content that you are accessing here in the browser can be accessed even in the mobile also. Now, in this video, let me explain one scenario. What is that scenario here? Build a postal code symbol map and find the number of orders. How to build a postal code symbol map? First of all, we need to connect to global superstore that we are having. So here I'm having global superstore. Why we are not using sample superstore? Because we don't have the country's details here. Even in the global superstore also, we are having postal codes for only for the United States. If you see, if I bring country here in the global superstore, we are having postal codes for only United States. So for this scenario, either you can use this or you can use this. Okay, let me use sample superstore. Now here I am having these postal codes. You're able to see, right? Now I want to build a postal code symbol map here. How to build a postal code symbol map? When I double click on this, here as the workbook local is United States and the data is about United States, without any detail of the country or state city, you are getting your postal code map. Okay, now wherever I'm having the postal code details, I'm getting there, I'm getting the symbol. Now I want to show the number of orders. How can I show the number of orders here? I'm having order ID and I'm bringing order ID to the label and I'm taking, when you are counting your customers, we will generally take count distinct. When you are taking your orders, every order needs to be counted. That is why I'm taking count of orders. Okay, now if I want to, instead of dropping it in the label, if I want to convert this to the size window directly, you don't need to drag it one more time. Rather, just click on this T and here what are the other 4 options as it is in the label window. Now I want to shift it to some other window, then the other 4 options are available here. Just change it to size window. Now here you are getting this. This is what? This is postal code symbol map. Now I want to build postal code postal code field map. Can we build? In the previous video we have seen field map is not possible for city, but is it possible for postal code? Why? Because in the granularity, in the hierarchy, after city postal code will come, right? Let me try whether I can get field map for this or not. I'm clearly getting the field map for postal code. As it's, see, postal code here you are getting this field map. As its space is available, limited space will be for each postal code, right? It is part of this city, means only that area, to that area it belongs to. That is why you are getting the map like this. Okay, but you are getting the field map. Again, I am building the postal code field map only. Here I am building this one more time. So just for my reference, I am adding this to the, even without that also I am getting the map here. I am adding country to the detail. Now I am changing it to field map. Now I am getting it perfectly. Here in the granularity, in the detail shelf, when I am adding city to the detail, when I added city to the detail, even then when I am asking for postal code, now see, it got converted to city map. When you have that in the detail window, when you are having any city in your detail window, then that is not possible. Now, without that, you can get a field map here. So that is what I want to show here. If you want any further information about the content or the course, just call us on. Here you are having one number, right? 9121314333. Just call us on this number for Tableau training. Thank you guys.